Flowchart by Lisa Green, Wanhu Lee, Naomi Somlowski, and Sandra Wall. What is a flowchart? A flowchart is a picture or a visual aid which represents the separate steps of the process in sequential order. What is it used for? Flowcharts can be used to organize or improve a process and to show what is next based on the outcomes of each step. Why use a flowchart? Flowcharts allow you to see an entire process flow in a quick view. Flowcharts can be shown at high level, which will provide a broad or company-wide view, such as new product introduction. Flowcharts can be shown at mid-levels or departmental levels, such as product validation. Flowcharts can be shown at low levels, which would show a more detailed view of processes at the working level, such as steps in testing the product. Why use a flowchart? Continues. To develop an understanding of a process and how it's done. To study a process for improvement. To help create better communication among people involved in a process, and to document a process, and finally to plan a project. Elements to include the sequence of actions, the materials or services needed in the process, the decisions being made, the people involved in each process, and the time involved in each process. Steps to create a flowchart. First, define the process to be shown. Then, define the parameters of the process. What are the starting and ending points? Decide how much detail should be included. Brainstorm the tasks that take place throughout the process. Include the interviewing of others and their feedback. Arrange the activities in the order needed to complete the process. Document the process with shapes and arrows to show the flow of the process. Steps to create the flowchart. Each step in the process is represented by a different symbol and contains a short description of the step in the process. Symbols are linked together showing the process flow direction. Most flowcharts are made up of three main types of symbols. First, elongated circles which signify the start or end of a process. Rectangles show instructions or actions. Diamonds show decisions that must be made. Within each symbol, write down what the symbol represents. This could be the start or finish of the process, the action taken, or the decision to be made. Symbols are connected one to the other by arrows, showing the flow of the process. To create process improvements, you would begin with an as-is chart. Then, after brainstorming and working with the people involved in a particular process, create a new and improved process flowchart. Flowcharts allow risk-free testing of the process and can be changed based on the outcome of what-if scenarios. After testing, the decision can be made as to whether the new process should be implemented. Uses of flowcharts. In quality improvement work, flowcharts are particularly useful for displaying how a process currently functions or could ideally function. Flowcharts can help you see whether the steps of a process are logical, uncover problems in the communication, define the boundaries of a process, and develop a common base of knowledge about a process. The process flowchart. Flowcharts are also referred to as process mapping or flow diagrams. Process flowchart provides a visual representation of the steps of the process. Constructing a flowchart is often one of the first activities of a process improvement effort because of the following benefits. First, process flowcharts give everyone a clear understanding of the process. They help to identify non-value-added operations, they facilitate teamwork and communication, and finally, they keep everyone on the same page.